In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The regular meeting of the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee held in Kabul. The Deputy Chief Administrative Officer of the Prime Minister, in a meeting with senior United Nations officials, stresses expanding development cooperation and support for the returning refugees. And Iran launches retaliatory strikes on 85 key US military bases across the region. Welcome to Urooj Daily News Package. It's Wednesday, the 22nd of Muharram al-Haram 1448, the 17th of Sartan 1405, and the 8th of July 2026. The news details. The regular meeting of the Inter-Ministerial Investment Committee approved the proposal for the construction of 2 commercial markets in Kabul's first district. According to the Deputy Prime Minister's Office for the Economic Affairs, Zahir Shahi market located in Mandavi area will be constructed at the cost of 161 million Afghanis. The 8-story commercial complex will be built in accordance with the approved engineering and construction standards. A second 5-story commercial market will also be developed in Kabul's first district. The project expected to generate employment opportunities for a considerable number of citizens. Maulvi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer of the Prime Minister, met with Alexander de Croo, the head of the United Nations Development Programme UNDP, and Barham Saleh, the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugee UNHCR representative, where His Excellency emphasized the importance of expanding development cooperation and strengthening support for the returning refugees. Maulvi Hanafi noted that more than 8 million Afghanis refugees have returned to the country since the establishment of the Islamic Emirate. He called for enhanced international cooperation to create employment opportunities, provide housing, and implement essential infrastructure projects aimed at preventing renewed migration. He also referred to the United Nations' recent reports on eradication of illicit poppy cultivation and narcotics production in Afghanistan, urging international partners to assist in providing sustainable alternative livelihoods for farmers. The news continuation. A joint meeting of the Committee with Improving the Diagnosis and Treatment of Cancer, chaired by Dr. Mohammed Zahir, the Health Affairs Command of the General Staff of the Ministry of National Defense, was convened. In a statement, the Minister of National Defense stated the committee had been established under the directive of Maulvi Abdul Salam Hanafi, the Deputy Chief Administrative Officer of the Prime Minister. According to the Ministry, senior representatives from the Ministry of Public Health, the Health Affairs Command of the Ministry of National Defense, the Minister of Interior, and hospitals affiliated with the General Director of the Intelligence participated in the meeting. And ultimately, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps IRGC announced that it had carried out a coordinated missile and drone operation against the U.S. military targets in response to recent American strikes on several locations inside Iran. According to Iran's Tasnim news agency, the operations targeted 85 key U.S. military bases, including facilities at Bandar Salman, the U.S. Naval Asset Station in Bahrain, and Al Salem Air Base in Kuwait. The news conclusion. Further productive materials from Urooj Research and Publishing Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.